students, today I am going to tell you about third lesson of supplementary reader class 9, Iswaran the storyteller, which is written by R.K. Lakshman. First of all, I am going to tell you about author R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was an Indian cartoonist, illustrator, that is he used to write for newspaper also, and he was a great humorist. His full name was Rasipuran Krishnaswamy Layar Narayanaswamy. He was born on 10 October 1906 in Madras. He died on May 13, 2001. He was a South Indian writer, and you might have heard about Malgudi Days, that was written by him. He got many prizes and he was awarded with Padma Vibhushan and Sahitya Academy Award as well. Now let us come to the main characters of the lesson. The main characters of the lesson are Iswaran and Mahendra. First of all, let me tell you about Iswaran. Iswaran is a servant of Mahendra, and he used to cook food for him, he used to wash his clothes, and at night he used to tell stories. And he used to tell stories about ghosts, sometimes about his own imaginary stories, and his stories were full of adventure or horror and suspense. And most of the stories were influenced by Tamil authors. And he was such a good story maker, storyteller, that he could create endless stories on all subjects, on any of the topic. And on other hand, Mahendra, he was a supervisor in a firm, and his job was to keep an eye on all the activities to be done at construction site. And his job was like he had to move from one place to another, but he adjusted himself at that place. Now at night he used to listen stories which were told by Iswaran. And now let me tell you about the stories told by Iswaran. First story Iswaran told about his childhood incident. He told that once what happened, one great tusker entered in a school ground. Tusker is elephant, a mad elephant. He entered in a school ground. He said that all the students and teachers, they were afraid, they were scared, and they hid themselves. And most of the students hid themselves under the desk also. And he said it was Iswaran, who was a junior student at that time. He controlled the elephant by a small stick. And he can you imagine, is that possible, like a small boy, and he was able to control a mad elephant simply by a stick? It was a story created by him. And one more story he created, and that story was about a ghost. And he told everything about that ghost, and he told that once he saw a ghost of women, and he told that she was holding a fetus, and it was a full moonlight. But Mahendra, he interrupted in between. He said that he didn't believe on ghosts, and he said that he don't want to listen such kind of stories. But next day what happened, surprisingly, he when he was about to sleep, he heard sound near the window, and he saw a dark cloudy figure. Now Mahendra scared, and he could not believe that it was a sound created by a ghost. And the same way, and she was holding a bundle, and he was scared. And finally he decided that he would leave that place, and he would leave that haunted place immediately. And now he had to believe that there were ghosts. So this is all about the story. Now let me tell you that this lesson gives us the message that there might be certain things in this world that is beyond our understanding, that is beyond our imaginations. We don't believe on ghosts, but sometimes when we face such kind of incident, we have to believe. Now it is up to you, how do you take this? So this is all about the lesson, Iswaran the storyteller. I hope you will be able to understand the lesson.